Hi guys, so this is where we left off in our last video. We have these translation sliders, and in this video I'm going to create a checkbox to set the canvas's background color to black. So let's start it. Okay. So first of all, in the canvas init method, I'm going to create a bg underscore color and boolean and set it to false. Okay, and then in the onDraw method, I'm going to before the GUI clear, I'm going to ask if self.bg color. So when it's true, then where it is, I'm going to cut this out, set the GUI clear color to pure black, and if it's not true, then to this dark greenish color. Okay, so now create those checkboxes here under the sliders. So the checkboxes. So let's call it bg color. Self.bg color wx.checkbox yes. The parent is the self id -1, and the position is 1130 on X and 360 on Y, and let's give it a label and call it black background. So let me see it. Yes, now we have here a checkbox which for now does nothing, so I'm going to give it a functionality. So here I'm going to bind this checkbox to a method. So wx.evt underscore checkbox. Let's bind it to a method called change bg color. Change underscore bg underscore color. So let's create this method here. Def change bg color. Okay, give it the event as a second parameter, and let's set self.canvas.bg color yes equal to self.bg color dot get value. Yeah, this BG color that get value gets the value from the from this checkbox. So when it's checked, it returns true. When it's unchecked, it returns false. So self.canvas, yes, canvas.refresh. Okay, now let me see if it's working or not. Yes, it's working. Show the triangle, rotate it, yes. And I'm going to add the second checkbox. So the second checkbox will be the wireframe mode. So it will start as false. Then in the onDraw method, I'm going to, let's say here, ask that if self.wireframe, then call the GL polygon mode with GL underscore front and back, and GL underscore line. So if wireframe is true, then it will call this OpenGL function, and if it's false, it will call the same function with the second argument set to GL fill. Okay, so now create that checkbox under the BG color checkbox. So self.wireframe will be equal to wx.checkbox parent self ID, the position, and it will be 1130 and 390 on the Y, and the label will be, let's say, wireframe mode. Wireframe mode, why not? Okay, now let's bind an event to this checkbox. For now, it looks like this. So create an event for it, or bind an event for it. Bind wx.edt checkbox, yes, and let's call this method set underscore wireframe, set wireframe. But because now we have more than one checkboxes, I'm going to set the change BG color as third argument to this BG color checkbox, and here is self.wireframe checkbox, And now we can create this set wireframe method. So def set underscore wireframe and event and self.canvas.wireframe set it equal to self.wireframe.getValue. So as I said, this getValue returns true or false. If it's checked, it returns true. So self.canvas.wireframe will be equal to true, and if it's unchecked, it will return false. So let me test this. Show triangle wireframe mode. Yeah, we need to refresh. Self.canvas.refresh. Okay, let me see. So show triangle wireframe mode. Okay. Now the plane in wireframe mode. Let's set the background color so it's better visible. And the cube in wireframe mode. Yes. So thank you for watching and have a nice day.